So today I have made a portable power supply, a really small power supply from my HP adapter, which was 24 volt out. Doesn't give much current, it's only 1 amp limit, but that is enough to test the stuff. I am not putting a lot of load here, but this construction is beautiful. This is very nice power supply, giving exactly 24 volt out. So what I have done here is just take out the power supply from out of this box, and I used my modem for the telephone line, which was of no use. It was pretty old, so I took out the case from there, and then I just dumped everything here. So this is the main power supply giving out 24 volts, and I have installed a step down buck converter, which is a switching one. And from here I took out the original potentiometer, and I installed an external potentiometer, which will be from the front side. I have also made a 24 volt out connection on this one. In here I have installed a voltmeter, a small voltmeter, and this is the output, which is a variable output. So I extended this hole here to accommodate my power adapter, and on the front side, this is the front, so this is what I have here. Let me take this out. This is so in the front, this on the left side is the potentiometer, in the center 24 volt out, on the right side this is variable out. So this is the final product. So it's very small, as you can see. It's tiny. You can put it in your pocket, and let's turn it on. So this is on now, and let's change the voltage here. This is very sensitive. This pot is very sensitive because this is 20k, and the original was 10k, so it varies. So 575 and 475. Now it's started dying out. So now 4.4, 4.29, 4.14, 4.13, done. And then up to 22, 23, this is the maximum it will go. So I'm testing this power supply from less than 5 volts. So this one is kind of switched off. From inside there is no light, but the power supply is showing 1.5. so I believe the LED has gone out as well for the buck converter, but it's working actually. So I will raise it up. The voltmeter I think is from 5 to 30 volts. So let me raise it up a bit, and let me at let me see when the LED comes on for the horse. Okay, now LED is kind of showing up here, so it is 3.3. so now the inside LED has shown up as well. So it's just the reading for the meter, but actually the buck converter is working until 1.2 volts. It's pretty nice. So I have removed the 20k pot from this power supply because that was very sensitive, and I'm not using the full range. So I put in a 5k pot, and then installed the 560 ohm resistor in series with one of the terminals for the pot to give me a
consistent voltage at the minimum at 3.3, and then the highest is 20 volts. That is a full range for this power supply because I have 24 volt out anyways.